Hello and welcome back to Coin Matters channel. There has been some important developments in the Bitcoin sector recently. To continue our discussion about Vitalik, where is he going? We discuss whether or not he is selling his Ethereum, the latest from Coinbase and SHIB, the Bitcoin hackers behind the Terra website, the state of the cryptocurrency market, and much more. Please give me a giant thumbs up if you like these significant upgrades. Okay, let's dive in. Let me start with the fact that Ethereum's creator, Vitalik Buterin, has sent 600 ETH, or almost $1 million, to Coinbase. Vitalik may be liquidating part of his Ethereum holdings in exchange for fiat currency at this time, as this is the widely held belief. You must find this information fascinating. On August 21st, 600 ETH were supposedly moved to a wallet address associated with Vitalik Buterin, as evidenced by data compiled by PEC. Vitalik Buterin's ETH is the standard operating procedure. The ETH price also tends to go down after the theorem is established. While the rationale for the recent move is unclear, some have speculated that Vitalik Buterin is engaging in yet another huge sell-off. Some have speculated that ETH could reach $1,000 soon. We decide to look into how much Ethereum now costs. You can see that the price now is roughly $1,667. Furthermore, a major sell-off has not occurred. Recently, there was a slight decrease. So, on August 18th, there was a tiny fall down to the 1597 level, but no catastrophic plunges down to $1,000 or less at the present time. As you guys know, the market is volatile, but in the long term, I'm staying bullish on Ethereum. Right, there are simply some nice news. Look at this, then. Despite the current chilly market, Coinbase is still expanding. Coinbase's investment in a stablecoin operator group and USDC's addition of 6 new blockchains are both positive developments, as is the general tone of the article. As such, it is encouraging to see Brian Armstrong and Coinbase forge ahead despite the crypto market's current chill. Due to the dissolution of the Circle Internet Financial Circle Consortium, which governed the USDC stablecoin, Circle is bringing the stablecoin fully in-house, and Coinbase is required to acquire a minority stake in Circle. 6 additional blockchains will integrate with USDC, bringing the total to 15. Even though cryptocurrency prices are now somewhat fluctuating, this news is generally encouraging because it indicates that the crypto field is continuing to see widespread adoption and innovative growth. That works out to a total wager of 331,250 bones on barium ships that easily tops $10 million. There is still a thriving ecosystem on board, as seen by the vast volumes of bone being impaled on ship decks. And this is exactly what you want to see in crypto: adoption, community participation, and another nice signal for should be in you right here in the ecosystem. Before we move on to some other news right here that is laughing in the face of the FUD that currently pervades the market. CEO Mark has apparently released some fear, uncertainty, and doubt by claiming Bloomberg analysts take on the looming recession as Bitcoin's bubble is about to burst. We've been here before, and he knows it since he's tweeting about it again. How many times has Bitcoin died and crashed in the past? According to the media, it's happened maybe 1,000 times, but it always makes a comeback in the end. If you're an old-timer in the crypto market, you know that despite the fact that cryptocurrency values have plummeted thousands of times, the market always recovers in the end. I'm still bullish on the cryptocurrency business, and he realizes that he's effectively naming a coin right here, even though he admits in this sentence that he has no idea what Alpha GPT is. I first encountered this in a Twitter spam comment yesterday. Apparently a large number of automated accounts are being used to spread spam. They can't seem to get our name out of their mouths. This follows directly on the heels of the other day I shared with you folks the news of the fraudulent project mentioned in a tweet from Biarritz. There were many discussions about Alpha GPT and CZ, but Nance is calling it as such as a dramatic departure from the norm. So, I don't know what Alpha GPT is, but it seems to be linked to a large number of bots that are currently spamming, and then there's some other news to be careful of. Please exercise extreme caution. Developers express concern over a possible phishing scheme on the Terra website. So, if you're familiar with Terraluna, the Layer 1 blockchain, you might be aware that they operate a website titled Terra.money. And it appears like someone has taken over this whole. Take great care whenever you enter the realm of cryptography. Hackers have gained control of this, and if you link your wallet to it, all of your cryptocurrency will be stolen. If you're using MetaMask while surfing the web, be extremely careful about the links you click, especially on Twitter, where the number of scams is, frankly, out of control, what with all the false airdrops happening right there. It's still a day of repression in the cryptocurrency market, as you can see by looking at the current price levels. So broadly speaking, most cryptos are in the red, while only a handful of cryptos are in the green at the moment. There is still a lot of macro FUD out there in the economy, and I believe that this is what will ultimately drive up crypto prices in the long run. However, until I think that macro news gets sorted out, we get some big positive things happening. There could be potentially Super Pepe is down slightly today due to Pepe, and Terra Classic sitting Sitar Classic is down slightly today as well. But you want to keep an eye on those projects that are continuing to develop during these cold times in the crypto space, as I believe they will be the ones to benefit most when the bull cycle returns. But seriously, guys, you may stop reading now since that is the most important crypto news update of the day. Please give it a thumbs up if you found it entertaining. Thank you very much for listening. If you liked this video, please subscribe and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.